Is a moment.
It's a moment, but maybe it isn't, you know, because you're taping it on your phone, so maybe it's not even going to come out, you know.
You got me way too philosophical for me. Yo, I'm happy to be on your freaking show, man. I'm on your show. I'm on your freaking show.
How long do we talk about this? How long have we talked about this?
I want to talk about it until you get annoyed.
No. How long have we talked about you coming on the show? I mean, it's probably about it's like 8 years ago, right?
Yeah, and at one point I said, well, this guy is not going to invite me on the show. But then I see you have all these celebrities. So I say, okay, well, I'm not a big Hollywood star, so the chances of me becoming a guest is just slim to none. So I don't know. But a lot of times they're booked because of Joe Rogan. I was getting on the Joe Rogan show, and sometimes they're booked up a year in advance. So sometimes they have to book you ahead of time. So,
right.
You know.
But this is, I know Jeff he's trying to get a bunch of shows in the can.
Bubble. So we have the sound that propagates at 700 miles per hour. That's amplitude, frequency, that velocity. So you have like this expanding bubble that propagates. You know, intensity determines the distance at which the accent. And then you have proposition now as a noun is a statement or an assertion that expresses a judgment or opinion. Proposition as a